How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, on off flight mode, open settings, click on connection. Now here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on flight mode from your phone. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. By this button, you can turn on or turn off flight mode from your phone. After turn on or turn off flight mode, now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset, scroll down. Now here you will see reset, and if you want to factory data reset, then click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, document, contact will be delete, erase or move or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.